Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Least hope of mining package to Goa and Union budget hints. CM Parsekar hopes to get one-time annual block grants. Withdrawal suspension of mining lease ECs. ZP's delimitations and reservation manipulation in Ponda 2. Constituencies split, realigned. ZP's renumbered. Clear game plan to penetrate Davlikar brothers' stronghold. .108 ambulance strike reveals shockers. Neonatal ambulances for pregnant women and critical infants off-road since 2 years. Career of trained paramedics at stake. Banavlim MLA accuses BJP of hidden agenda in reservation and delimitation of ZPs, says move may backfire on government in assembly poll, claims BJP is fixing with former congressmen. And India defeats South Africa by 130 runs. India's first victory over South Africa in the World Cup. Shikhar Dhawan, man of the match. Now the news in detail. There are least hopes for mining package to Goa from Modi government's budget. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has hinted it clearly. Former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had sought a special package from Union Finance Minister for Goa. Parsekar says possibility is bleak. However, he is hopeful that Goa may get one-time annual block grants. CM is also hopeful that suspension of mining lease ECs will be withdrawn. Prudence exclusive on CM's budget wish list.
Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley will present annual Union Budget 2015-16 on Saturday 28 February. The budget is being looked upon as Make in India budget. Mining dependents and people from tourism sector in Goa are looking forward towards Modi's budget to rescue Modi's lucky Goa from economic crisis following mining ban. But CM Lakshmikant Parsekar is not very hopeful about any special assistance from centre when it comes to mining.
1000 कोटीची मागणी केली डिमांड म्हज्या पयलींच्या मुख्यमंत्र्यान केल्ली ती पण हांव तेतूनसून व्हडलो होपफूल आसा असो न्हय तशें म्हजें राज्य म्हजें सरकार किंवा म्हज्या पक्षाचें आसा म्हणून वेगळें अशें असो एटिट्यूड आमचे लोक दाखयणारे न्हय.
Parrikar at the time of his elevation as Raksha Mantri had assured that Goa will get special package within 2 to 3 months following his good repo and access to union ministers in Delhi. But CM Parsekar is more hopeful towards Niti Aayog.
पंतप्रधान मेळटा जेणी सक्सेसफुली मुख्यमंत्री पद सांबाळलें किंवा सक्सेसफूल मुख्यमंत्री असले आणि असो मनीस थंय बसल्यामुळे जे स्टेट एलोकेशन हे कन्सिडरेबल जातले आणि बऱ्यो ग्रँट्स सगळ्या राज्यांक मेळटल्यो हांवूय अपेक्षा करता.
Parsekar is hopeful on his proposal of one-time annual quantum grants before Niti Aayog. He says Goa can use the grants as per its needs.
त्यामुळे वार्षिक एक क्वांटम ऑफ ग्रँट दिली जाल्यार राज्याक ती सोयीची पडटा.
CM is also hopeful towards withdrawal of order suspending mining lease environment clearances.
मायनिंगच्या बाबतीत जी ECs विड्रॉल केल्ली आसात ती विड्रॉल ऑर्डर विड्रॉ जावंक जाय ही मागणी आसा जी हांव परस्यू करीत आसा आनी ती जातली.
Overall, seems like Parsekar is least hopeful with mining package to the state. However, much confident about one-time annual quantum grants. Saturday will tell the Goa share in union budget. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Prudent in its first 2 reports has exposed how the delimitations and reservation for North and South Goa ZP constituencies has largely favored the party in power. Its same story of divide and rule in Ponda 2. MGP's bastion, Ponda Taluka and its ZPs are now under South District. With this realignment, the numbering for ZPs too has changed. Bearing Minister Mahadev Naik Shiroda, it's a clear game plan to penetrate Davlikar brothers' stronghold. A third special report.
In last 2 days, Prudent exposed the manipulation and delimitation of North and South Goa ZP elections. In ZP elections, Ponda has been shifted from North to South Goa, and as such the number of ZP members have changed. However, BJP ruled constituency has been kept out from this number game. Sudhin Dhaulkar has till now been successful attempts to keep Ponda as MGP stronghold. The number of MGP MLAs have reached to 3. Ponda delimitation again hints at divide and rule strategy against the MGP. Manipulation to raise seats in Ponda, Usgaon Ganjem makes new ZP and Bori out of Kaure a new ZP. ZP constituencies in Ponda have undergone several realignments. Tivre and Bandoda ZP constituency dropped. Bandoda divided as Kaure and Veiling. Tivre dropped Betki Khandola new ZP. Vere Vagurme in Kurti now. Keri in Betki Khandola and Keri and Bhoma Hadkon in Betki. New 3 ZP constituencies have been formed by dividing 3 old ZP constituencies. However, Mahadev Naik Shiroda constituency is kept intact with Shiroda and Panswadi. In new delimitation, reserved constituencies are increased. 6 ZPs in Ponda, reserved constituencies raised from 4 to 5. In 2010, 2 were reserved for women, 1 for OBC and 1 for ST. In 2015, women 1, OBC 2, women OBC 1 and ST 1. The hidden plan of party in power is open and clear now to tighten its hold on the strongholds of opposition as well as its coalition partner. Now 18 March will decide what results such manipulations yield, whether it favors the party in power or boomerangs. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
108 ambulance strike has revealed shockers. GVK was awarded contract of 108 emergency ambulance services, but ironically, neonatal ambulances for pregnant women and critical infants are off-road since 2 years. Government had provided special paramedical training spending lakhs of rupees for medical students to cater to neonatal ambulances. But now money is wasted and future of paramedical trainees is also at stake. Watch Prudent exclusive 108.
Goa government had awarded contract to GVK to operate emergency services in the state. GVK has 31 ambulances, but only 15 to 18 operates on road. Now the staff of 108 is on strike, thus paralyzing the ambulance service. These 2 neonatal ambulances bought for emergency services for pregnant women and critical infants are lying off the road due to the negligence of the government and the GVK. This picture says it all.
तेंच्यांनी तो गाडयो बंद केल्ल्यो आसा नियोनेटल म्हणून ते एक स्पेशल अशी गाडी आशिल्ली जितून एक वर्सभराचे भुरगे म्हयन्याभराचे भुरगेच ट्रॅव्हल करूंक शकता त्याच्या भायर आनी कोण करूंक शकना पूण मदल्या काळान अशें जालें की कसले पेशंट भितर घालपाक लागले तेचो सुद्धा विरोध आमच्या कामगारांनी केल्लो आशिल्लो आनी जेन्ना विरोध केलो तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी ते बंद केलो नियोनेटल सर्व्हिस म्हणून.
Neonatal ambulances are off-road since 2 years. The career of 13 medical students, specially trained paramedics costing lakh of rupees, is uncertain. GMC has started new courses of paramedics on neonatal ambulances. GVK has removed those 13 workers.
तेंच्यांनी अशें म्हटलां की पॅरामेडिक्साची गरज ना. जर पॅरामेडिक्साची गरज नाशिल्ली जाल्यार इतले सरकारान पयसो खर्च कित्याक केलो आनी 3 वर्सां तांकां सेवेर दवरलो. म्हणजे एक्चुअली 3 वर्सां तेंची कॅरियराची 3 वर्सां सरकारान मॅनेजमेंटान पिड्यार केल्ली आसा.
That's not all. At present, Goa doesn't have any emergency services to cater to pregnant women and critical infants. General ambulances manage the show.
4-5 दिसां पयलीं अशी गजाल घडली की साद्या एम्बुलन्सीन एका बायलेची डिलिव्हरी जाली. सो आमच्या वर्करांक ते करचे पडलेले जे अनट्रेन्ड आशिल्ले. सो आमकां सरकारा कडेन अश्यो खुबश्यो मागण्यो आसा की बाबा ह्यो तुमी गजाली इमिजिएटली करा पूण सरकार हेजेर कानार मनार कांयच घेना.
We spoke with the management of GVK. They refused to speak on camera. In all this confusion, government has opted to save its skin, blaming GVK for the mess, leaving pregnant women and critical infants under no one's care in emergency. Video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.